darkness. Bitter, bitter for all the things I've done. I'm trying to move on, but all the guilt is hitting me at once. I hope you're happy with the one that wants you out my life, but the stars are falling from the sky. Stars falling straight from the sky. The little dipper disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars to light the sky. It's taking me time, but now I see that I was wrong. I should have been there for you and made you feel at home. All this heartbreak, girl, I earned, but I still feel it when it burns, and I'm falling from the darkness. And I'm bitter, bitter for all the things I said. I'm trying to move on, but seeing you was messing with my head. I hope you're happy with the one that wants you out my life. All the stars are falling from the sky. Stars falling straight from the sky. The little dipper disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars to light the sky. Stars falling straight from the sky. The little dipper disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars to light the sky. Some days I see you cooking in the kitchen, but you're not really there, and I'm really by myself. But I still got one star left, so I'm wishing on that star tonight that you come back forever. Stars falling straight from the sky. The little dipper disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars to light the sky. Come on to me, come on to me. You're my little dipper. Come on to me, come on to me, come on to me. Falling stars, come on to me, come on to me. Come on to me, come on to me. You're my little dipper. Come on to me, come on to me, come on to me. Falling stars, come on to me, come on to me, It's taking me time to find a road back to myself. I'm all alone 'cause now you're gone and no one's here. All of this pain I deserve, but when you left me, it still hurt, and I'm standing in the darkness. Bitter, bitter for all the things I've done. I'm trying to move on, but all the guilt is hitting me at once. I hope you're happy with the one that wants you out my life, but the stars are falling from the sky. Stars falling straight from the sky. The little dipper disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars to light the sky. It's taking me time, but now I see that I was wrong. I should have been there.
What's up, guys? What is up? What is up? I cannot wait to bring this video to you. This is a video, as you can see from the title, on a company called MOBB. This is the NAVAEH texture. It's a 20-inch length wig that I have, and it is MOBB.com. I want you to take a look. When I say I'm in love, I'm in love. And I'm so happy too because my husband really loves it because he loves natural hairstyles. Can you believe it? A husband that loves natural hairstyles. He does not like it all straight and flowy and all that kind of stuff. He's just like, oh my goodness, I love it when you do a natural hair. This is the queen curl. It is a very tight curl. It is very close to the texture of my hair. And I have probably washed this hair a good 4 times because I just wanted to get, you know, used to it. It was, I would say the curl pretty much is the same. I did put a little bit of color in it. So I just wanted you to kind of see that. That is some color. And then I'll just show you what I did to kind of just apply this or install this because it is sewn onto my hair. My niece put a braid in my hair at the top, so I was able to sew this right onto my hair. It is very secure. And then I just tucked the comb right here at the bottom and then tucked the combs on the side as well. It's not tight. It is secure though, because you want it secure. You don't want to be embarrassed. The hair came really, really cute. It had like, I can't find the little baggie that it came in, but it was such a cute little baggie. It was a yellow netted. Ooh, it's thundering bad outside. Y'all probably hear Murphy. I'm sorry. He's not going to stop, so I apologize. Anyway, I just want to step back a little bit so you guys can kind of see the hair. But this hair came in a nice bag. I cut the ends of it just a little bit, and I probably, Murphy, come here. Seriously, come here. Really not happy right now because it's like really storming really bad outside. All right, so I kind of just wanted to sit down so I could talk to you guys about the hair as well. So anyway, it came in like a nice netted bag. It was really cute. I can't find it anywhere, but the hair was, you know, kind of poofy, and then I just kind of washed it down, and then I saw like, oh my goodness, these curls are amazing. I decided to wash it like twice before I colored it. Oh, it's because I wanted, the first time I washed it, I wanted to see what the curls were really going to do as it was wet. Then I combed it out. So it was a big poofy. I'll probably insert how it was. It was super big. It was super poofy. Then after I did that, Murphy. After I did that, I rewashed it to get it back to the curly hair, not the poofiness, and then I let it dry, and then I said, okay, now I want to color the hair. So I did the BW2 powder as well as 40 developer. I didn't put it in long, and then I realized I had no foil in the house. So I was like, well, you know what? I don't want it to be really, really colored. I just wanted a little soft coloring in it. So as you can see, I have a very soft coloring in the hair, probably a little bit more on this side. I'll probably end up, I'm gonna add a little bit more to the hair, especially this side, but I like how the coloring is, and I can tell the hair is about to get bigger, and it is just such beautiful hair. As far as tangling is concerned, not so much. Like, look at my hands. Just like a little bit of a snag, but you can tell this hair is some good hair. Okay, here's this little bit of a snag. Not so much of shedding. The first time I washed it, I had probably like less than this shedding. I did comb this out very vigorously, as you'll see in the video. I combed it out, but hardly any hair came out. There's no smell. There's hardly no tangling. It is some snagging. It's so soft. It is so beautiful. I am absolutely in love with this hair. It was so easy and manageable. To get it kind of like the curls that I have now, I just had a spray bottle. That's it. And this Wave NAVAEH right here. That Wave NAVAEH, it's a moisturizing lotion. I really do like it. I had my Dim brush and I had a comb. Super simple. So I'm gonna absolutely loving the hair. This is 20 inches, by the way. I don't know if I said that. And this is, I actually ordered 18 inches, but the girl, her name is Nettie or Netta. She's so sweet. She was like, I kind of want to send a little bit longer because it is curly hair and I don't want it to be short. You can cut it to what you want. And literally that much off of the bottom. Just that. Nothing much off the bottom. So this is where it falls in the back. And I'm loving it. I hope you all like this video. I hope that you like the tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.
Straight from the sky, the little dipper disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars tonight. The sky. Some days I see